ස්ට්‍රීට් ෆූඩ් කාලා ඇති වෙලාද? බලන්න මේ වගේ ෆ්‍රයිඩ් රයිස් එකක් ඕගොල්ලෝ කාලා තියෙනවද කියලා. කාලා නැත්නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් try කරන්න.
Hello guys, warmly welcome you for Master Anurag's Tasty Food. So today I'm gonna prepare chicken breakfast fried rice, right? So this is really spicy, I must say that, right? So first of all we need to have a fry pan. So just heat the fry pan, right? Then add some oil, you can add any oil, right? Then you all can see that I already already grilled that chicken breakfast, right? So you can take any brands, it's not a problem. Okay, just add the I just added onions, right? I just cut onion into pieces. Then also ginger, that's also it's a good herbs, it's give a good boosting for our health these days, right? So we need to add all those things, so no any added flavor, all natural things, right? So just let it fry in a medium way, not in like that much deep golden brown. So now when you are frying this, it's give a good flavor, like smell. The smell is most important. Then you will have a like appetite to eat this rice as well, right? Okay, now I just added chili powder. That also good give you spices, right? And just let it fry with the onion and ginger. So you can add anything, but if you try like this way, so you will have a good flavored rice. Then I just added that roasted curry powder into this. Now I just added chili flakes and pepper also. So pepper is most important for our healthy life, right? So flames and the cough, so we can avoid, so we need to add definitely, so it's give a good spicy. So just let it fry. After that I just added 2 green chili, so that's also most important. So it's give a good the flavored and tasty. again I just added chili flakes. So this actually it's gonna be really spicy. You won't believe this. Just try and see. Now guys, I'm just adding tomato sauce. So tomato sauce is most important. So then only we'll have a like very the creamy tomato the feeling, the flavor into rice. So guys, don't fry in a deep way, because just we need to take something like a medium way, so you all can see that. Then I'm just going to add the rice now. This rice is almost cooked one, right? So not just this, like I kept in fridge, right? So the cold rice, they give a good good the tasty also, I must say that. So you all try and see. Just cook rice also you can add that, but this is like actually I kept on in a refrigerator. So just mix it. So the icy the rice, normally when you fry that, it won't sticky together, and it will have a good flavor also, I must say this. Just mix it well. So as you can see, this rice almost cooked one previously, like I said, with the turmeric powder. So that also give a good energy and for boosting our healthy as well. Now I just added newly cooked rice today, so that's not a samba. So previously I added samba. So this is something like not something like, definitely I should say. So this is nadu, Sri Lankan nadu. So guys, now this is the most important part of the rice. You know this, right? That is breakfast, chicken breakfast, right? All those are big ones. So I just added chicken breakfast, the almost grilled one with the pepper. So I'm just added one into my rice. So I'm going to mix it. So I already cut it with my knife, right? Now I'm going to separate into small pieces, so that then that aroma and the taste should feel to the rice. Then we'll have a tasty food, right? That is most important. So cutting into the pieces and then adding to rice, we'll have a good feeling of enjoying the rice. I mean, what I'm trying to tell you is I eat rice in a pleasure way. So guys, finally we made the rice. Now time to have it, time to eat.